Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share board here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sharing a Microsoft Planner board is a simple process that can benefit teams and projects in a lot of ways. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Plans. And from here, just share or click the plan that you wanted to share with, especially the board inside of the plan. For example, this one right here, the first plan, there's going to be a three dots icon here where it says More Options. I want you to click on it and open it. Right now, we are on the chart view. As you can see, all we have to do for us to be able to share this, you should need to go to the board section right here. And if you want to add some task within it, add a task right here. And for you to be able to share this, it's really easy. All you have to do is go to the upper right corner. There's going to be a three dots. And there should be an option that says share. All right, now you can add members to create a group. If you already have one, choose an existing group right here. If you have, all right, if you click that, you might be able to add a group here. If you don't, just create a group if you want. Of course, you can create this new group like this, or you can edit the name if you wanted. And obviously the next option from there is going to be able to share this board right here. All right, it's a very easy thing to do, but please remember that in the member section right here, you need to type the name or email address of the person you want to add. Of course, obviously you need to select the correct user from the drop down to add them to the group. They will receive an email notification with access to the board. But of course, make sure you are the owner or the admin of this plan or the planner, because if you don't have that, you're not going to be able to add members here. All right, if you have like a restricted kind of access, because if you are the owner, you can also share a direct link to the plan. All right, and you can always send this link to team members who are already added to the plan, and from there they can click the link to access the board directly. All right, and again, if you want to share the board with a guest outside your organization, ensure that the guest access is enabled in the Microsoft 365, because as of now, as you can see, this board is basically private to me. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.